Have you ever wondered why some people get respected the moment they enter a room, while others keep talking, keep proving themselves, and still get ignored? It's not money, it's not looks, and it's definitely not luck. Today, you'll learn a simple trick that can change how people see you instantly. And once you understand it, you'll notice people interrupt you less, listen more carefully, and value your presence differently. But almost nobody talks about it. Number 1, stop chasing approval. The biggest mistake people make, trying too hard to be liked. Psychology says the more desperate you seem for approval, the less respect people naturally give you. Notice this carefully. People who constantly over-explain, apologize for everything, or force themselves to make everyone happy, usually end up being taken for granted. Because desperation silently communicates insecurity. And human brains detect insecurity faster than words. Number 2, use calmness as power. Now think about the people who naturally command respect. They're usually calm. They don't rush their words. They don't react to every opinion. And they don't panic in silence. That calm energy sends a hidden message. I'm comfortable with myself. And psychologically, confidence feels safer to people than desperation. That's why calm people often look more powerful, even when they say very little. Sometimes the quietest person in the room controls the entire atmosphere. Number 3, why mystery creates respect. There's another behavior highly respected people use naturally. They don't reveal everything about themselves immediately. They don't overshare every emotion, every plan, or every insecurity. Why? Because when someone talks too much trying to prove their value, people stop feeling curious about them. But mystery keeps attention alive. When your words are limited, your presence feels more valuable. That's why confident people speak with intention, not desperation. And strangely, the less they try to impress people, the more respected they become. Number 4, the moment people start respecting you. Respect doesn't come from talking louder. It comes from controlling your emotions under pressure. The next time someone interrupts you, don't react instantly. Stay calm. Pause for a second. Look at them confidently. Then continue speaking normally. Because when you stay emotionally controlled, people automatically see you as mentally stronger. And in human psychology, emotional control often equals power. So if you want people to respect you instantly, stop chasing validation. Control your emotions. Be comfortable with silence. And never feel the need to prove your worth to everyone. Because real respect is never forced, it's felt. And the people who respect themselves quietly usually become the hardest people to ignore. Subscribe for more psychology secrets that change the way people see you.